If you feel like you're working hard but still not getting ahead financially, this video is for you. The truth is, it's not always about how much money you make. It's about the habits you follow every single day. Right now, millions of Americans are stuck in a cycle of earning, spending, and staying broke. It's not because they're lazy, but because they're repeating these 7 habits without even realizing it. In this video, I'm going to break down the exact habits that are keeping people poor in 2026 and what you should do instead. Let's start with habit number 1, spending without thinking. Most people don't plan their spending. They see something, they like it, and they buy it. Online shopping, food delivery, random purchases, it all adds up. At the end of the month, they wonder where their money went. This is one of the biggest reasons people stay broke, because small daily expenses quietly destroy your savings. What should you do instead? Start being intentional with your money. Before buying anything, ask yourself, do I really need this? Now let's move to habit number 2, living above your means. This is a trap that many people fall into. As soon as they start earning more, they also start spending more. Better phone, better car, better lifestyle. But their savings stay the same, or even worse, they go into debt. Trying to look rich is one of the fastest ways to stay poor. Real wealth is not about what you show, it's about what you keep. Instead of upgrading your lifestyle, upgrade your savings. Live below your means, and you'll always stay ahead. These first 2 habits are massive financial roadblocks, but there are 5 more critical habits we need to discuss. Remember to stop spending without thinking and commit to living below your means to build real wealth. In the next part of this video, we'll dive into the remaining 5 habits that are keeping millions stuck in the cycle of broke. Start making these positive changes today to transform your financial future. Welcome! We're diving into the 3 most common financial mistakes that can quietly kill your wealth. These habits are often subtle, but they have a huge impact on your financial future and prevent you from building lasting wealth. We'll be covering 3 critical habits today, starting with how you use credit. Habit number 3, relying too much on credit. Credit cards can be useful, but they can also be dangerous. Most people use credit cards for things they cannot truly afford. This is where the danger lies. They get stuck paying high interest every month. Slowly, their debt grows, and their financial stress grows with it. That's how banks make money, from your mistakes. Your debt is their profit. What should you do instead? Use credit wisely. Only spend what you can pay back in full. If you can't pay it off, don't swipe the card. Simple as that. Now for habit number 4, not saving anything. A lot of people think they will save money later, but later never comes. There is always a bill, an expense, or something unexpected. Because of that, they stay stuck with 0 savings. Living without savings is risky. One emergency can destroy your entire financial stability. So what should you do? Start small. Even saving $50 or $100 a month is better than nothing. The goal is to build the habit first, because once saving becomes a habit, your money will start growing. Now habit number 5, not investing at all. This is one of the biggest mistakes people make. They keep all their money stagnant in a bank account, thinking it's safe. But inflation is quietly reducing its value every year. So even if your money looks safe, it's actually losing power. Wealth is not built by saving alone. It is built by investing. You need your money to work for you. Start learning about simple investments, like index funds. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to start. These 3 habits can sabotage your financial future, but the good news is that you have the power to change them. Stop relying on credit, start saving something, and begin investing for your future. Start building these better financial habits today and watch your wealth grow. If you want now.